What's up and welcome back to the channel. This is the 907 Fantasy Sports Betting page. And we got some Thursday night football going on tonight. Coming over here, we got the Pittsburgh Steelers playing against the Bengals tonight on some Thursday night football. They're playing in Cincinnati. Pittsburgh is favored 4.5, but I wouldn't be surprised if Cincinnati came out and shocked the world here and covered this. Covered this or even won outright. The primetime games, the underdog has been hitting literally I think the underdog has won the last 4 or 5 times on primetime games. So take a look out for that. But we got a beautiful free play today for us that we are guaranteed to hit on. And that's going to be played over on ONYX. You guys can get on that. If you go over here to the Winible though, hop on the free plan. That's absolutely free to do. I'm sending out this free play over there as well. And then VIP Gold Level, Football Season Pass, and the Full Week Pass. Those are all available as well. Friday, $5 Friday, you can get on that as well for tomorrow's plays. But coming over here, if you guys are new to Chalkboard, go over there and get on Chalkboard. They give out discounted lines every single day. They're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money to go play with. Just use the code 907fantasy when signing up. That link is down in the description below. Make sure to go get that locked in. And then over here on Sleeper, they're going to give you $20 of absolute free money as well. Along with, they are giving you I believe it is a Joe Flacco free square today for some Thursday night football. So add that to your slip. $20 free money, no deposit necessary. Once again, use the code 907fantasy. Lastly, over here on BETR, go over there. They're going to give you a free $10 and up to a $200 bonus on your first deposit when you use the code 907fantasy. Once again, that is all down in the description below. They're also going to give you this Aaron Rodgers free pick. So add that to any of your slips. And then for Sunday, you can get that Michael Penix Jr. Free pick as well. So use the code 907fantasy when you're signing up for Chalkboard, Sleeper, or BETR. And then we're going to play over on ONYX today. I love this play. So we're taking Jaylen Warren over 24 rushing yards. He's been hitting over 40, even getting 50. So I love this line at 25 here. Then we're going Jamar Chase. Joe Flacco's going to be feeding Jamar Chase. He gets the most target share there. So we're taking him over 40 receiving yards. Thank goodness they got rid of Jake Browning. He's not starting anymore. Joe Flacco's going to feed Jamar Chase. Joe Flacco's much better than Jake Browning ever was. And then we're going Aaron Rodgers over 170 passing yards. He should be able to hit that easily. And then Joe Flacco over 180 receiving yards. They're going to be playing from behind is my guess, so Joe Flacco's going to have to air it out. They're also passing 67% of the time versus rushing. So they're a pass-heavy offense. So take the 180 there. You can even take 190, whatever you guys prefer. And then this is just an absolute money booster. Take the money line on East Carolina. They're playing at home against Tulsa. If we look at the spread there, I think they're favored by quite a bit. It's a pretty decent chunk that they're favored by. 16.5 point favorites there. Over under 53.5. So make sure to just add that in there for an easy profit boost when we're doubling up our money today. So make sure to go over to Winible, get on the free plan. That's free to do. And then let's go have another amazing day for some college football, Thursday night, NFL football. Go over to the Winible and get on that. Lastly, the only thing that I'm going to ask is that you go over, like the video down below, and subscribe to the channel for the next free pick video that's coming out tomorrow. So good luck with all your plays today. Make sure to go lock this in over on ONYX. That link is down in the description below to get signed up. And good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.